Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming updates and online status. This avoids wasted attempts. Once done, launch Pokémon Violet and open the X menu, then navigate to Network Settings, Link Code. You should already have your friend's 12-digit code written down. Type it exactly, including hyphens when shown. Make sure your switch is on a stable Wi-Fi network with minimal interference because packet loss causes failures. Now, enter the code and press Confirm to send the invite request. Once you have the code, type the 12 digits carefully. Small typos break the match. After entering it, select Join via link code and wait on the confirmation screen. Do not close the game or sleep the console because sync must complete. Meanwhile, your friend should accept the incoming link on their end. If synchronization stalls, check your network settings, switch NAT type, or enable simple port forwarding to improve connectivity, and then retry the join procedure. You finish by confirming both players are visible in the lobby. Choose the multiplayer activity and start. If you get disconnected, retry entering the link code and power cycle your router and consoles before repeating. This clears transient network issues. Also, make sure both consoles use the same game version and that friend lists are not blocking invites. One key troubleshooting tip: use a wired LAN adapter on at least one switch to reduce packet loss, which often fixes repeated.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.